Hey, happy Thursday, Mrs. Jimerson's U.S. History class, period 5, portable 11. Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. It's about 3:22 in the afternoon. And I want you guys to add, I'm going to talk to you about Chapter 10, Lesson 1 and 2. I want you to add some details to your notes. On page 379, chapter 10, lesson 1, there's a graphic organizer, and it talks about the rise of the dictators. I want you guys to add into your notes this little piece of information here from the book. There's a little outline. It says the origins of World War II, Roman numeral 1, the rise of dictators, A, B, C, and D. So I want you to put for the A, B, C, and D, the specific dictators that were in charge at the time. And I'm going to give you the answers right now. I want you to write this down and add this into your Chapter 10, Lesson 1 notes. Okay, so for the rise of dictators, I want you to put in there Mussolini and his fascism in Italy. That'll be A. I want you to put Stalin takes over the Soviet Union. That would be B. And Hitler takes over Nazi Germany. That would be C. And militarists control Japan. That would be D. Okay. So once again, you're going to do a little bit of research on Mussolini from Italy. That's A. Stalin and the Soviet Union is B. Hitler and the Nazi Party takes over Germany. That's C. And then militarists control Japan. That's letter D. Okay, so I want you to add that to your notes. Also, for Chapter 10, Lesson 2, talks about the involvement of the United States and what it is that the United States, how did they get involved in World War II? So there's this little chart that I want you to pay attention to on page 386. And it says, what does it say? Events that shifted American involvement. So there's 3 events, okay? I want you to get a pen and a piece of paper. I want you to write these 3 events down right now. So if you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that. So there's 3 events. One event is Roosevelt. He has some internationalist actions. That's 1. Germany attacks in the Western Atlantic. That's 2. And Japan's attack on Pearl Harbor. That's 3. All right. So add those 3 pieces of information into your notes and create a graphic organizer that says Americans' involvement in World War II. What are the 3 things that they did to get involved? The reasons why. So number 1 is Roosevelt's internationalist actions, Germany's attacks in the Western Atlantic, and the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor. All right. Have a great day. Add that to your chapter notes, lesson 1 and 2. Bye-bye.